Hey, my beautiful Tea Party squad, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Tekoa and I am going to be sharing with you guys my spread for the week of September the 20th through the 26th in my catch-all planner, or sometimes you may hear me refer to this as my home planner. I am using the vertical layout from the Happy Planner, and this is in the classic size. And I already went ahead and prepped my spread to make this a little easier and quicker for me to kind of go ahead and set everything up. So I went ahead and added just a few little things and whited out some little areas because I am going to be using some clear and transparent stickers in this spread this week. And so I wanted to just go ahead and get that out of the way. All right, so hopefully you guys have had an opportunity to check out my pre-planning video where I showed you how I pre-planned for the entire month in this planner. And for this week, I did pre-plan to do either a green spread or another type of spread, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick to this one color kind of spread, because it's really been very helpful for me to pull out stickers and to go ahead and plan. So before I do that, I am going to share with you the sticker books that I'm going to be using. I already went ahead of time and pulled out some of my stickers, so that way I'm not kind of flipping through all these sticker books and trying to figure out what stickers I want to use. So I do have that, but I do want to pull my sticker book out to kind of show you guys what stickers I pulled from. So starting off, I went ahead and started with the new fall release sticker book called Southern Farmhouse. I could not wait to dive into this. I played around with just a few stickers. I didn't pull too many stickers from out of here, but I did pull some out of here just to kind of stick with that green scheme. And so if you can tell, there are some green hues in there, and I also have a flip through of the sticker book on my channel. So I will put that in this video as well if you want to check that out after you are done checking out this week's spread. All right, next up, I did take it old school, y'all. I pulled out the Farmhouse sticker book. Do y'all remember this book? I still love this sticker book. And I did see like these little reefs here. I am going to be pulling those out. They have like little different shades of green, kind of bluish, but I'm gonna pull these out and see how they work. So I did pull those out for some of my green. I did pull out a quote sticker here too. So I am going to use that and have some green on there. I am going to pull out this household sticker book because it's just so cute. But they do have some greens in here. I think, what did I pull from here? I don't think I pulled any stickers from here just yet that I prepared for, but I want to have the sticker book on hand just in case I may need it to add. All right, next up is this other newer household sticker book. I did pull from this one because, as you can see, they do have little hues of green in here. They have some bill pay stickers, some grocery shopping stickers, and also like some house cleaning checklist stickers in here. I think I pull out maybe like a few habit trackers and then a meal planning sticker, maybe like 2 or 3, but I may pull out a little bit more. And then I went ahead and got this colorful boxes sticker book because I wanted to pull out some green boxes. And then I also pulled out this Going Places Wrong collab with the Happy Planner. And I pulled out this girl, y'all. Do y'all see that green romper she has on? Yes. So I did choose a smaller sticker of her, and I'm going to place her in there because I do like to add dolls to my spreads. I don't know, that's just me. It just does something to my spreads. It makes it complete. So that's what I'm going to be pulling from, little bits of here and there. I am going to throw in a little splash of gold in there as well to kind of tie in the whole green together. I didn't want to be too green, but I did tie in some gold boxes as well as green boxes that I also got out of that Southern Farmhouse sticker book. So normally I will probably talk through this process, but I am a little pressed for time, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to be putting this together and then come back on and then do a little wrap up. All right, my Tea Party Squad. So I am done with my spread for the week of September the 20th through the 26th. And again, I did sort of like a green theme spread for this. I really want to use some more florals in here, but the florals that I went to use was not green enough for me. So I did pull out just a few hues of green from the Farmhouse sticker book as well as the new Southern Farmhouse sticker book. And then I added in a few splashes of gold foiled colorful boxes as well. So here's where I'm going to keep up with all of my meal planning for the week. And then at the bottom, I'm going to keep up with, I want to be consistent with doing my daily text each day for the week as well as going forward. And then I pulled out at the last minute, I saw this weekly checklist sticker here out of that household sticker book, and I think it'd be good for me to have this in the corner so that way I'm making sure I'm doing some of these items throughout the week, because I do power hours every day for about an hour. I give myself an hour to do just different little errands or different chores around the house, like dusting the house, cleaning the floors, changing the sheets, or making the bed. So that's why I have these little lines here, because when I do my power hours, these are like my power hour sections here, and then I'll just list what I did for that day as far as like cleaning wise. I do have a few Zoom meetings that I'm going to be doing throughout the week. And then I also have a parent-teacher conference with Peyton's teacher. She's in kindergarten this year. And they're going to also be doing an early dismissal. So I'm going to be doing all of that for this day here. And then I put down this big plan sticker from out of that Southern Farmhouse, because I want to start doing like memory keeping in this planner for the week, and just kind of writing out what went on, throughout the week, and do like a little weekly reflections here. And then of course, I had to pull out that wrong doll, y'all. Y'all see how cute that is? And then I got this beautiful quote sticker from out of that Going Places sticker book that I also got that wrong doll out of, that says, "This life is so beautiful." And just tied it in, and just kind of pull in different elements of green from different sticker books, and this is what I came out with for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here, again, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and I hope that you do enjoy this video enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because it will notify you when I upload a video each week. Again, if you are one of my Tea Party squads and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know you not only enjoy this video, but you want to see more. And it also helps out my little tea party. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.